Hey guys, what's happening? How to basically change your TikTok username in 2025. So go ahead and open up your TikTok, right? And then what you're gonna do, click your profile icon on the bottom right. And you can see right here, edit profile. And under your name, you're gonna see username. Go ahead and change your username, all right? And after you changing your username, you're gonna be able to hit save at the top right. Basically that will be your domain, so people can access your profile immediately, right? Or just easily. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.